Hey, in this video, I will show you how to invite friends to join your Discord server. It's actually a very simple tutorial that works the same way on any iPhone and on any Android device. Before we start, just hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and subscribe if you are new. So what you want to do is open up your Discord server, click on the three dots right next to the name and click on the invite option. And here you can basically either share it to your friends, send it to any friends that you have added on Discord, or just copy the link and then paste it to any chat you have. But you can actually edit your link. So it has your invite link expires in 7 days. So you can click edit invite link and you can make it a day, 12 hours, even never if you want to. And here you can have a number of people that can use the link, or even temporary membership. If the video helped you out, give me a like, and I want to see you in the next video. See you there. Bye.